Make f the subject of the formula. So when they say this, make f the subject, right? Your focus is on getting f equals to something, right? So you have f sort of on the left-hand side and everything else on the other side. At the moment, that's not the case. So what I can do, possibly, is rewrite this the other way around, okay? So we can write this as 4f minus 7 equals to 3g. There's nothing wrong with that, right? I haven't done anything wrong. Because, you know, if 3g is equal to 4f minus 7, I can just say it the other way around. I can say 4f minus 7 is equal to 3g. Just writing them the other way around. There's nothing wrong there. Now remember, I want to get f equals. So this is going to take a little bit of work, but the first thing I would do is take that minus 7 over the other side. And because it is a minus 7, when I take it over, it becomes a plus 7. Okay, you do the opposite, don't you? Okay, the opposite of taking away is add. So take it over, it becomes a plus 7. Now I've almost got f on its own, however it's 4f, isn't it? So to get f on its own, I need to think about what I'm doing here, 4f. Well, that means 4 times f, doesn't it? When you've got two number and letter stuck together, you times in, so 4 times f. Now, if I want to take that 4 over the other side, so I'm just left with f, because I'm timesing 4 by f, if I take the 4 over, I've got to do the opposite. The opposite of timesing, of course, is divide. So I need to divide the whole side by 4. And that's how you write divide, isn't it? You write it as a fraction. So fraction simply means to divide. So take the 4 over, because we're timesing, and divide. Part B then, make w the subject of the formula. If I multiply out this bracket here to start with, and I multiply that bracket out. Okay, so we're going to multiply 2 brackets out. 8w, 8 times w is 8w. 8 times 3 is 24y. Okay, so 8 times w is 8w, 8 times 3y is 24y, because 8 times 3 is 24 and it's minus. Same here then, times this out, 3w, and then 3 times 2 is 6, so 3 times 2y is 6y. Remember, I want w, the subject of the formula, so take this, put the w's together basically, take those 3w over, excuse me, so we get, take that 3w over, becomes minus 3w. And I've got 6y here, take that minus 24y over, get the y on that side, right? So get the w's on the left side, take everything else over the other side. So it becomes plus 24y, yeah? Take it over, you do the opposite. This becomes 5w, that becomes 30y, okay? And all I've got to do then is, remember, I want to get w equals, so I'm going to do the opposite of before. So because I'm timesing here, you take it over, you do the opposite and divide, okay? So 30y divided by 5 is 6y, okay? So you just take that over, because we're timesing, you are dividing, and you can actually work that out, can't you, as I've done. 30 divided by 5 is 6. With part C then, now we've got to multiply this bracket out, and we want to make m the subject, okay? So if I multiply out here, that'll be 6m minus 3t equals 2t plus 7. Okay, so 2t plus 7 stays as it is, but multiply out, I get this. And remember, I want m equals, so I need to take all the other stuff over the other side. So keep the 2t plus 7 where it is, because there's no m's here. When I take that over, it becomes plus 3t. So I then get 6m equals, well, if I put these together, 2t plus 3t is 5t plus 7, okay? And then to get m then, well, because it's 5t plus 7, but more importantly here, because I've got 6m, and that's 6 times m, when I take it over the other side, okay, so do the opposite and divide. Okay, so get rid of the 6 by taking it over, and we divide the whole thing by 6, and we've got our answer for m equals